When running underground feeder or a UF cable under a deck to power something like a pool pump, there are several National Electrical Code or NEC requirements to consider. Firstly, let's address whether you can drill a 1-inch hole in the floor joists of the deck and run the 10-3 UF cable through it, or if you must staple it. According to the NEC, UF cable can indeed be routed through holes in structural framing members, such as floor joists, without additional protection, provided certain conditions are met. The first condition is that the cable must be securely fastened within 12 inches of each hole. This ensures that the cable is properly supported and doesn't sag or become strained. The second condition is that the cable must not be subject to physical damage. This means the cable should be protected from any potential impacts or abrasions that could compromise its insulation and lead to electrical hazards. Therefore, you can drill a 1-inch hole in the floor joists of the deck and run the 10-3 UF cable through it, but only if you secure it properly within 12 inches of the hole and ensure it's protected from physical damage. Secondly, let's consider whether you can run a 12-2 UF cable in the same hole as the 10-3 UF cable, or if it needs a separate hole or separate staples. The answer is that you generally cannot run the 12-2 UF cable in the same hole as the 10-3 UF cable. The NEC requires that multiple cables must be separated from each other by a certain distance, typically 6 inches, or by a barrier. This separation is important to prevent electromagnetic interference and potential overheating. When multiple cables are run close together, the electromagnetic fields they generate can interact with each other, causing interference that can disrupt the performance of sensitive electronic equipment. Additionally, closely spaced cables can trap heat, which can lead to overheating and potentially damage the insulation of the cables, increasing the risk of electrical fires. Therefore, to comply with the NEC and ensure electrical safety, you must either drill a separate 1-inch hole for the 12-2 UF cable, or staple the 12-2 UF cable separately to the joist with a 6-inch clearance from the 10-3 UF cable. In summary, when running UF cable under a deck, remember these key points. You can run UF cable through holes and floor joists if you secure it within 12 inches of each hole and protect it from physical damage. Do not run multiple UF cables in the same hole. Maintain a separation of at least 6 inches or use a barrier. Following these guidelines will help ensure that your electrical installation is safe, code compliant, and reliable. Always consult the latest edition of the NEC and local electrical codes for the most up-to-date requirements. If you are not comfortable working with electricity, it's always best to hire a qualified electrician to perform the work. Remember, electrical safety is paramount, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Ignoring these guidelines can cause electromagnetic interference between the wires, causing disruption, overheating, or potentially damaging the insulation of the cables, increasing the risk of electrical fires. So you need to either drill a separate 1-inch hole for the 12-2 UF cable, or staple the 12-2 UF cable separately to the joists with a 6-inch clearance from the 10-3 UF cable.